DeAsiaNichole, and I am back with another video. Today I'm gonna kick it with y'all, and I'm gonna tell y'all about Gossip Girl Hair Company. Oh, excuse me, I'm just being rude. I ain't even asked y'all how y'all was doing on this lovely Tuesday. But anyway, I got a little, I'm gonna show y'all how I prep my wig before I put it on. I'm not putting it on today because as y'all can see, I got my hair braided up, but it's coming down soon. But we got Gossip Girl in the building. This is my second time ordering a wig from them. Lace frontal wig. The first wig that I ordered was a 13x6 frontal, and it was 26 inches. And this wig is also Gossip Girl, but they changed the label up. It's a 13x4 frontal wig with I think it's 28 inches. Yep, it's 28. And I don't remember the density off the wig, but I know when I ordered the first one, the hair was really thick. I really liked it, how thick the hair was. So before we get into the video, I'm gonna tell y'all what kind of consists of how it comes. So I got it from UPS, so it came in a, you know, the UPS thing. Usually it would come in a box that looked like this, but they switched it up and I got a box that looked like this. And then it just tell you on the back of the box how to wash your wig. So if this your first time getting a wig and you need to know how to wash it, the back of the box come in handy. So, and they also put oh, these my other trucks inside of here, y'all. Don't, I was being ghetto. But yeah, let me just put that back in there. But it usually come with, you know, the little business advertisement flyer thing, and you know, some tips on how to wash your hair. And I don't know exactly what this is. I think this is like the elastic band, as y'all can see. I'm doing that like it's sunlight. I'm gonna pull it out the wrapper for y'all, and it's just rolled up. I got another one, but I don't know where it's at. Like I said, this is my second time ordering from this company. I'm very satisfied with the hair, but I just wish that it was just a little bit more thicker. I like my hair really full. Like, I like it a lot. Like, if I was to make my own wig, I probably would use to at least four bundles and a half, because that's how thick I like it. But this is pretty long. I like my weave, you know. I haven't installed it in yet, and it's pre-plucked. As y'all can see, here is pre-plucked. And it has a lace. It has a lace in the back, but I'm gonna pull it off the mannequin head and I'm gonna show it for y'all. And it came inside of this long little bag that you could put your wigs back in here, or you could put it on the mannequin or whatever. But y'all, I'm just really getting started into wearing wigs. This is like my 5th wig, so I'm really still getting the hang of it. But so far, since I've been wearing it, I like it. And they put this in the inside, you know. So I'm gonna take it off for y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. She bald head now, but this is what the, let me get y'all a little bit more light. But this is what the inside of it look like. Look at the lace. Like I said, it's a 13x4 frontal. You don't gotta move the camera. And it's the clips in here. So we got the clips in here, you know, to clip it onto your hair. And then we got the straps. And like I said, you got the lace in the back because you want to put it down in the back of your head. So this is just the inside, and this is the hair. Look at this. I really like this wig. Like, I really do. I just hope it. Last time I had to get a 13x4 because my 13x6, it wasn't really fitting on my head, so I had to do a lot to make it fit. But I think this 13x4 will fit my fat head. So I'm just going, I left my wig brush in my room, but I'm just gonna comb it out for y'all and just show y'all. Look at this. It's so soft, like, for real. And this, by the way, this video is not sponsored. This is my honest opinion and me putting y'all on to my hair, period. This wig was it was $148 148, 147. That's because I had a discount because I be on AliExpress a lot. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell y'all, this hair came from AliExpress. I be on there a lot, so I get a lot of coupons. So I be getting like 10% off my weave, 5% off. I'm always on AliExpress, so yeah. And I got my, let me turn this up. And I'm gonna show y'all how I bleach my knots. I'm just gonna put it on the table. I got some bleach. You can get any bleach from your local beauty supply. B2W. I just realized, y'all, I didn't have a lot of bleach. I thought I had another packet upstairs, so I'm working with a little bit of bleach. I'm gonna try to make it stretch. If not, I'm gonna have to order some, because as y'all know, with this whole virus going around, beauty supplies closed. So I'm gonna just try to do it the best I can for y'all. I know it's not gonna be enough, but I still just wanted to show y'all because I already brought all this stuff out. So what you want to do is you just want to wet it. This is just water in a spray bottle. I'm just wetting my frontal. And I'm just taking a brush and pushing all the baby hairs back. All the baby hairs, all the hairs. I'm talking about all the baby hairs. It is pre-plucked baby hair. So I'm just pushing it all back. So I can do my thing. And I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do it one more time. Push it back. It's a 3-part, so I can part it to the left side, right side, middle part, whatever I want to do. In the ponytail, it's always that one piece that gotta be stubborn. Okay. And you just open it up. Like 2 days before, so they can already pluck it, bleach the knots for you. I'm really mad I ran out. It was really just enough because it was watery, but if it was a thick paste, it would have not been enough. But I might have to leave it on here a little bit longer because it's kind of watery, so it might not work as fast as it would if it was pasty. You can use 40 developer, 20 developer, but I prefer 40 developer. So this is what it looked like after you apply the bleach on there. Oops, I missed a spot. Like I said, it's supposed to look pasty. but seeing how I don't have a lot of bleach, I gotta order some. It look watery. But I'm waiting on that. As y'all can see, I got the timer for 15 minutes while I'm waiting on y'all can watch me dance. Go ZD, go ZD, go ZD, go, go. Kill it, kill it. Get off. Go ahead, get off. So the timer just went off, but I want it to be a browner. I don't think it's gonna get much brown because, like I said, I didn't have a lot of. I was about to say glue. I didn't have a lot of bleaching powder, so I'm just gonna try to leave it on there a little bit longer. So, up to my camera girl, Miss Takara in the cutty. Hello. All right. I'll see you guys in a minute. So this has been on for about 20-25 minutes. I knew I wasn't really gonna do too much because I didn't have a lot of bleach, so I'm just gonna wash it out and just see what it kind of did. I'm gonna go in with my Cream of Nature shampoo and wash this stuff out because it didn't bleach to not as much. It's kind of brown, but y'all can't really see it on the camera, so I'm just gonna rinse it out, and like I said, I'm gonna redo it. Probably am, probably not. Put the water on warm. I'm just taking some Cream of Nature. I'm gonna just put it in there. Might as well wash the weave. It's hard to come out. I don't know why. Brown as I want it to be. Oh, it did bleach. It's not as brown as I want it to be, but I can always go in with my concealer. I'm using my MAC concealer. You can really get it from anywhere. I get a color just one bit lighter than my skin. I'm gonna show y'all how to install my wig and do my baby hair. I'm probably gonna do that. You know what? I think I'm gonna do that tonight so it can already be ready for when I put it in. Look how shiny it looks. And I gotta get some of that shimmer. It's shimmer and shine and purple volume. Let's make your hair really shine. I got leave-in conditioner. I put leave-in conditioner in instead of conditioner. I'm just going through, rinsing it, making sure, you know, it's washed nice. Okay. Alright, y'all. So I'm back in my room. I know y'all used to seeing this, and this is the leave-in conditioner I was talking about. Oh, and I forgot to show y'all the 40 developer, just in case some of y'all don't know what it look like. Okay, put her on the mannequin. She is currently wrapped up inside of here. She dry kind of quick. Hold on. Okay. My original hair towel, because I'm going to put her on here. Yes, give me y'all very much. I'm dropping another YouTube video, y'all, but it's not gonna be tonight. It's gonna be Thursday. I ordered something real special, so can't wait for y'all to watch. Hope y'all tune in. All right, and this is gonna go here just in case. I really should have put it over here. All right, y'all. So I just put her down, and I got my hair towel. My plan was to let it dry, but like I didn't have plans on doing all that other stuff that I did. Like, it's dry, but it's not dry all the way, but it's dry. Look at this. Period. She giving me very much Rapunzel. Rapunzel, mirror, mirror on the wall. So, I'm just gonna go in with some leave-in conditioner. I need some more because I'm running out. And I'm just gonna rub it on the palm of my hands. And I'm gonna just put it in the hair. I'm not styling the wig or anything. I'm just showing y'all how I prep my wig. Prep it. And I just go in with the leave-in conditioner. Especially my ends. I gotta make sure my ends is good. I just love brushing it, y'all. Like, bro, look at this. It is so nice. I like this wig. I'm not doing no baby hair until it is in my head. Y'all see this? Like, look at this. This hair is so nice. I would flat iron it and show y'all how it is, but sis did not come to play. Period. Sis ain't playing no games with nobody. American hair, and that's just pretty much it, y'all. It's really nothing much to it. This is the hair after it is washed, air dried. It looks so good. If I would have blow dried, I would use my heat protector. I'm gonna go in with my pressing comb. I think I'll make my part just a little bit deeper. But yeah, this is it, y'all. So I'm gonna leave everything in the description below. So make sure y'all stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much, and I am out of here.